cause I don't know tomorrow. As I dey walk, I dey pray. Lord, show me love. Oluwa, bless me today.
Hi everyone, my name is Akurede Adenike. You are welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time of you checking on my channel, you are highly welcome. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Today I'm going to make a pencil skirt with elastic band. The measurement needed for my skirts are hip 44, skirt waist 40, skirt length 25. Let's get to it. This is the fabric I'm using. It's a little bit stretchy, so I folded it into 4 because I want to cut the front and the back together because of the elastic waist that is there. So at the edge here, I'm going to measure. Let me leave about 1 inch here before starting my measurement to make it accurate. Remember, I folded my fabric into 4. I want to cut the front and the back together because there is no zip allowance there. So this is my starting point. From there, the length of my skirt is 25, like I said. So up here, I'm going to leave 2 inches for my elastic band. And I'm going to cut it together. So from that 2 inches, I'm going to measure the full length of my skirt, which is 25. 25 inches. I'm going to connect it. "25 inches, the full length of my skirt." So 1 inch will be here at the bottom for seam allowance. You can make it 2 if you like. So from my waist, because this is my waistline, from my waist to my hip is 8 inches. 8 inches. I'll connect it. So I'm going to measure. The hip is 44. Divided by 4 is 11. I'm going to measure 11. No seam allowance. Because it's a stretchy material, no seam allowance. So exactly that 11, I'll measure it all through. On the waist, my waist is 40. Quarter of it is 10. I'm going to measure that 10 out. I'm measuring that 10 inches out for the waist. So here, I'm going to connect this place to the hip. I'm sure you are seeing what I'm drawing. So from here now, I'll join it together, the 11 inches, which is the quarter of my hip. I'll join it to the bottom. So to form that pencil at the bottom here, from that 11 inches, I'm going to come in by 1 inch. And on the hip line here, I'll come down by 1 inch too. So from here now to this place, I'll now curve it a little bit. Curve it a little bit like this to make it pencil at the bottom. Now I cut. So let me explain for you again to make you understand it very well. I'm cutting pencil skirt with elastic band. My hip is 44, quarter of it is 11. So I use that 11 to fold it. I folded it into 4 because I'm cutting the front and back together because there is no zip there. So the length of my skirt is 25. I leave 2 inches up here for the elastic. From there, I measured the full length of my skirt, which is 25. And I had 1 inch here for seam allowance, for hem allowance. So here is my waist to my hip. So this is my hip line. I measured 11 there. No seam allowance because it's a stretchy material. From the bottom here, I come in by 1 inch to make it pencil from that 11 inches. Then I cut. So, stitching aspect. I want to go and stitch it now. I will stitch it from up here. Hope you can see me very well. I'll stitch it from up here with ½ inch. The other side too, the second side. Now, I've stitched the both side with ½ inch. This is the top and this is the bottom of it. As you can see, it has formed the pencil already. I'll now go and stitch here now. This is the right side now. I stitched the wrong side. So up here where the elastic will be, I'll go and stitch it. Fold ½ inch like this. Then the remaining 1.5, I'll place it on it. So let me go and stitch it. I'll come and show you. So this is it. I've sewed the casing for my elastic. I leave about 1.5 inch here, which I'm going to put my elastic inside it. So To know the actual elastic that I'm going to cut, I'm going to use my waist measurement. My waist is 40. I'll deduct 8 from that 40. That will give me 32. So I'm going to measure 32 for the elastic that I'm going to use for the waistband. 32 inches. So this is it. I've measured 32 inches out. I'll now use safety pin to put it inside it. So I'm going to put it inside with safety pin. I'm going to pass through the casing. So like this. So I've finished putting my elastic inside it. But make sure it's not turned upside down. And you now place it on top of each other like this. Place it like this and stitch it with zigzag. So if I finish stitching it out, this is it. I've finished stitching it. I'll now let it go inside like this. I'll put it inside like this. And this place that I left, 1.5 inches that I left for the elastic, I'll go and stitch it and close it back. As you can see now, it's not perfect. I've closed it. The 1.5 inch that I left for the elastic is perfect now. So the bottom here now, I'll go and hem it with 1 inch. So as you can see now, I've finished it. You can even try it. Under 30 minutes, you will get your own skirt. So easy to make, as you can see. If you like this my tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching. God bless.